the seatbelt light. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelts. Thank you.
Hey there, MadCap propeller heads. Here's what's new in Lingo 9. First, there have been some huge enhancements that make the translation process easier. Machine translation. Machine translation lets you generate translation suggestions from internet-based translation providers like Google, Microsoft, and MyMemory. You can use machine translation to provide suggestions for individual segments the same way you would with the standard translation memory. You can even use machine translation to translate an entire project at once. Then you can adjust those translations if necessary before accepting them. Multilingual projects. Now you can add multiple languages to a single Lingo project. This lets you quickly switch from language to language when you're translating. You can add languages to your project at any time, whether you're just creating a new project or want to add a language to an existing project. Bundling. Bundles have been enhanced, so now you can filter the files you want to include in the bundle. You can filter based on file type, translation status, and difference status. You can even include the project's translation memories and term bases as part of the bundle, so your translator will have all the important things needed to complete the translation. Plus, if you have a multilingual project, you can pick the language to include in your bundle, so the translator only receives files in the language he needs to translate. And one more thing, you can bundle files as a Lingo bundle or a zip file. A Lingo bundle has an LIPRJ zip file extension, and it's best when you're sending the bundle to a translator who uses Lingo. A regular zip file is best when you need to send the bundle to a translator who does not use Lingo, but rather a third-party translation tool. Project reviews. You can now send your projects out to reviewers who have MadCap Contributor installed. If you're working with a multilingual project, you can pick a single language to send to your reviewer. He doesn't have to review all the languages in your project unless you want him to. Your reviewer can download Contributor and use the free Lingo review mode to review your translations, make changes, and send you back a file that you can easily add back into your Lingo project. Live Preview. When a translator is translating a file, she can open up new Live Preview mode to see her translations exactly as they'll appear in the finished document. The preview appears right next to the translation editor, so she can keep making changes to the translation and see her changes in real time. Quality Assurance Reports. Before you send a project for review, run quality assurance checks to make sure everything is translated, all the formatting and punctuation is correct, and that you didn't miss any tag errors. These 10 reports will save your reviewers some time, and might just save you some embarrassment. Plus, we've added a ton of other new features. For additional details about these changes, open the What's New topic in the online help, or you can download the What's New PDF guide. Enjoy the new Lingo 9.